Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic on its way back into my green target range. We have not made it above the wave 1. That is always very important to break the wave 1 to confirm higher prices. Didn't do it. That is not necessarily a bearish sign. It just means that what we are doing here might take a little bit longer. So you may remember that from the low here, which was around $13, we moved up in a wave 1, came down in a 2, moved up in a 3, 4, 5. So an impulsive wave. Probably from all cryptos, one of the best ones I've seen so far. Yeah, after we completed that, I told you we'll probably come down into this region here between $23 and $33. And anybody who had a buy limit order set in my buy area could have made some nice money. Yeah, could have made some nice money. Would even now be in profit still. So, however, what we of course assumed was that from here, after we moved out of this corrective channel to the upside, so basically, assumption was, that this was then the wave 2. That is the conclusion you have to come to when you see the price reverse that strongly, especially as this could be counted as an impulsive move, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Absolutely possible. Yeah, so if we do this, one second. Let's just label this. So we had it labeled as a 1, a 2, this then as the 3. This would have been nice as a wave 4, and then the wave 5 up. However, we dropped too much in the wave 4. So it cannot be this impulsive wave structure anymore. They understand. Unfortunately, not possible anymore. Therefore, what is the other alternative? What is the possibility? Well, there are possibilities. Yeah. One possibility is we could count it like that. A 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5, so that this here was already the first wave then of the third wave, which should take us way above $60. And now we're coming down just in a corrective wave. Possible. We have found support exactly at the 88.7% fib level. And then we would count this as an A, B, C. Yeah, fair enough. Absolutely possible. For this scenario, however, ideally we see imminent movement now to the upside. And I can't really see the evidence for that yet, especially as we were rejected here again already. And in this wave pattern, we must not drop below the $32 level. Then it would be invalidated. Therefore, and that is, to be honest, my preferred scenario, I think it is more likely that here we only saw let me just find the right thing here, that we only saw the wave A here, the wave B to the upside, and that we're now coming down in a wave C. Which ideally would go below the $32 level. So I would say it like that. If we hold above the $32 level, we are going with the scenario that I've just shown you. If we go below the level, below $32, then we have to assume that wave 2 was never finished and that we are now coming down in this C wave of the wave 2. Yeah, not a problem. Would give everybody another chance to accumulate here in this area. And that is the area between $33 and $23. I did say when we were up here that normally in a wave 2, if you had an extended wave 5, which was this one, that you then normally in the wave 2 correction come all the way down to the previous wave 4 low. At least it happens often. It's not a must, but it happens often. So maybe we see that, the $23 level. Yeah, it would be what you would normally expect in such a wave 2 correction after an extended wave 5. Now let's say this is the wave count, then we can also calculate the target for the wave C a little bit more specifically, based on that we now know where actually the wave B high was. So, and in that scenario, the first target would be that 32.70 level. So again, it's very relevant, this level here around $32, $33. But if we go below that, and we're looking here at the 1.618 extension at 24.60, that would be very close to that wave 4 low. So, and everything would be in this green reversal area. So it's a highly relevant level. Anywhere in here, we need to expect the reversal to the upside. It would be ideal. Yeah, that is always what I mean, you know, seeing a coin doing a clear 5-wave move up and then a 3-wave pullback. Yeah, if we now see a little bit lower lows and then emerge out of this green area, that is the best confirmation we get that the low for Ethereum Classic was in. But nothing is 100% guaranteed. Yeah, please understand that as well. And then best indication that the wave 2 is in would be a breakout above the wave B high here at 45.75. And the wave 3, and again, it all depends on how low we now go in the wave 2. Let's assume we come somewhere around $28 to just sort of get an average. And then actually the wave 3 should take us with an ideal target all the way up to $82, $83. But it's too early to really talk about that. We first need to come down a bit lower and then break out above the wave B to the upside. And this is the area where everybody who wants to could accumulate. That's up to you. I would expect at the moment, at least with the price information we have, a reversal in this green area. What would add to that case? Well, at the moment, first of all, we need to expect lower prices. As you can see here on the RSI, we're only hovering around 50. There's still plenty of space to drop further. Not a problem, yeah, to go down, maybe max it out really down to the wave 4 low at $23. And the MACD is also coming down, so there's no sign of reversal here yet on the daily chart. Also here, not yet on the 8-hour chart. So as soon as we see a reversal to the upside, we need to keep an eye on that. 4 hour, we see a slight reduction, negative momentum, but it's a bit too early to confirm that. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Ethereum Classic. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.